Yo, MRD.
Welcome to another Synfig tutorial. So Synfig version 1.4.2 has been released, and please go and download that right now. I will be leaving the download link in the description below. So here I have the release notes, and you can I'm also going to leave this link in the description below so that you can find it really easily. Yeah, you can read and see the changes that is now a part of version 1.4.2. But what I'll be going over today is my favorite change of them all, which is the ability to be able to change shortcuts easily, or shortcut keys easily. So let's get right into it. So when you open up Synfig, just go to Edit, Preferences, and now we have the options for shortcuts. And now you can change it very easily. Previously, you could change it, but it wasn't so easy to change. So all the shortcuts are here, and to change it, it's pretty simple. You can follow the instructions here, right? And let's say I wanted to change one of these. By the way, you can change all of them to whatever you want. But let me just change maybe the scale tool here. So the current shortcut is L, and we can go and test that out. So if I press L on my keyboard, we see that it selects the scale tool. So let me go to Edit, Preferences, and I'm just gonna click right here. And then once you left click on it, you'll see New Accelerator. So what you can do now to change the shortcut key is to just press one of the keys. If you press a key that is already in use, it will let you know, right? So for example, rotate is A. So if I press A, okay, we get this box here that says this shortcut is already set for this action here. Are you sure? It will unset for previous bound action. So if you change it to A, this one will no longer be available here, and you'll have to set something else for it here. So I'm just going to click cancel because we don't want that. I'm going to click here again, and I'm just going to press Q because I know that Q is not being used for anything. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you forget what was there before, because we can click on the Restore Default Shortcuts key button here to get back your original shortcut keys. So I'm just going to click on OK and click on another tool, and if I press Q now, we see that Q is now the shortcut key for scale, right? So it's very, very easy to change the shortcut keys. And by the way, I don't want Q to be my scale tool shortcut. So I'm just going to click on Restore Default Shortcuts and click on OK, and it goes back to what was there previously. All right. So I hope you guys have fun changing your shortcuts to whatever you want. It will make your life easier, to use shortcuts to do different things. And one big change in this shortcut thing is that the play button, the play shortcut key, has been changed. Previously, it was Control P to play your animations, but the Synfig team smartly changed that to the spacebar key. And if you use other programs, the spacebar key is usually what you would press to play animations on your timeline. So that's what it is now. So if I should just go and add a small animation here, and if I press Control P, notice that it doesn't play, but if I should press the spacebar key, it plays. Okay, and again, you can change that in the preferences for the shortcuts, but I would advise you to let that remain, right? Because the spacebar key is the usual key to play within any other software. So that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Yo, MRD.